Hello. Guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a two-star Sudoku. Not in today's newspaper. No, today on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. It's the edition of yesterday, Saturday, September the 10th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the two-star Sudoku and the tectonic with 1 star. Yes. Let me continue with the two stars Sudoku. And this will be a number 5158. Yes, 5158. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. One less than the previous Sudoku. Previous Sudoku has 27 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, so you need more time to solve for that puzzle. But for two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the third row, so no 2 and 3 in these two boxes. The 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square, and one of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 3 boxes here. 7 in this row. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay, I cannot continue with the 7 now. Yeah. I need to wait. Then. Let me see. Through the 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have a 4 and 8 in this column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have a 3 and 8 in this column. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. 7 in this column. 7 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Okay, 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, and look, we have 3 and a 6 in this row. So no 3 and 6 in this box. The 3 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this middle column for number 1. Right. Can I count the 3s? No. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Then the 8 in this column, the 8 in the third column, the 8 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Okay. Alright, one digit more. Then how about the number? These 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. Okay. Then, yeah. Yeah. For 5 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, 1 in this column. So no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1, it could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. Okay. Then let me see. How about the number? Let me see the number. Come on. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, okay. 6. 2 in this row. The 2 in the row, in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. 2 and a 1. 2. Oh, in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 2. Well, we have a 2 in this last column, so no 2 there. Here, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there, in this row. Here or there, we see another 2 in the second column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. Right, now I can continue with 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have 1 here in the last row, so no 1 in this box. The 1 is supposed to be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. All right. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. Then. Two missing numbers in this column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number, I believe 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 5 is missing. 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. I don't believe this. Quicker than I've expected, because I need 15 to 20 minutes for 2 stars puzzle, and I've solved this in 30 minutes. So is this really 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. In a flow, you will solve this in maybe 30 minutes, maybe quicker. I do not know, but I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a tectonic cipher block in Dutch, in Japanese, Sudoku, with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.